Hello, friends. Today we will learn some Canva tricks. This is a lemon slice, and we want to make many copies of it. You can select it and use the duplicate option, but that takes a lot of time. Another faster way is to press and hold Alt and keep clicking. Fast copies will be created. Then select all of them together and delete them. Very simple. Second trick. We have applied an effect on a text, and now we want this text effect to be applied to another text as well. For this, we go to Copy Style and click on the text we want to apply it to. This is how it's done. Third trick. If we want to add a shadow to this text, first select it, then go to Effects and click on Lift. Next, set its intensity to 100%. If we want the shadow to be darker, we keep making many copies of it. See? Now the shadow has become darker.